Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make possessive case of a noun. Possessive case shows ownership, means ये अधिकार दिखाता ownership. Okay, we can say a noun or pronoun that indicates the possessor or owner of something is said to be in the possessive case. Okay, जो ओनर को शो करता है वो पॉजिटिव केस होता है. लाइक द लायंस टीथ आर वेरी शार्प. हियर लायंस मीन्स टीथ इज ओन्ड बाय लायन. टीथ पे किसका अधिकार है? लायन का अधिकार है. सो लायन यहाँ पे इसका ओनर हुआ. द ओल्ड मैन्स स्टिक, एज यू कैन से इन दिस पिक्चर, his old man, his stick. So old man is the owner or possessor of stick. Okay, old man is owner or possessor of stick. So in this case old man is in possessive case. I repeat, possessive case shows ownership. Okay, rules to make possessive case. Okay, how to make possessive case of nouns. First, possessive case of a singular noun is found by adding apostrophe. This is the sign of your apostrophe. Actually this is like this. Okay, this is like this. Okay, comma. Okay, possessive case. And yes. Okay, like boy, boys. Here you can say comma and yes. Okay, this is your possessive case. Man, mans. Patron, patrons. Priest, priests. Okay, next, possessive case of a plural noun ending in yes is found by adding only an apostrophe after it. We should not use yes. Okay, like sisters. Here sisters is in plural form, so no need to add yes here. Okay, no need to add yes here. It is wrong. Sisters, it is wrong. Okay, as yes already exists in the word. इस वर्ड में पहले से yes लगा हुआ है, तो इसमें दो बार yes लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो वी एड ओनली कॉमा. बर्ड्स ओनली कॉमा, नो नीड टू राइट yes again. Doctors, okay, fathers. So I repeat, possessive case of a plural nouns ending is s. ऐसा प्लूरल नाउंस जो जिसके लास्ट में येस हो, उसमें हम सिर्फ कॉमा लगा देते हैं, नेक्स्ट टाइम इसका यूज़ नहीं करते. possessive case of a plural noun that does not end in yes is found by adding an apostrophe and yes. Okay, like children. However, the word children is in plural form, but as we can see there is no yes here. Yes, last word is not yes. So we should use apostrophe yes, means comma and yes. Both words should be used. Okay, like women. Here last word is n, not yes. So we should use apostrophe yes. Men, men's. Geese, geese. Okay, this is your. The apostrophe is not used to indicate possessive case in non-living things, while preposition of is used. Yes, it is very important rule. Possessive to make living things in possessive case we should use apostrophe yes, while To show the position of non-living things, we should not use apostrophe s. Like the trees branches are hanging to the ground. This is wrong because tree is treated as non-living things. So the correct form is the branches of the tree. Yes, of is used here. Okay, the branches of the tree are hanging to the ground. The room's door. Here room is non-living, so we should not use apostrophe. Yes, we should use of. Yes, as we can see here. So the correct form is the door of the room was not left open in the night. I repeat, in the case of living thing, we should use apostrophe s. Living things का जब हमें पॉजिटिव केस बनाना होगा तो हम apostrophe s का यूज़ करेंगे. While for non living things we should use of. Okay? जब हम non living things का पॉजिटिव केस बनाएंगे तो हम of का यूज़ करेंगे. Like branches of the tree, door of the room. So that's all for today. Thank you.